No, it's perfect. It's gonna be authentic. Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but today's a very special day for Gabriel and I.
Yes.
And I thought I could document this special day for us because we
bought our first house.
We bought our first home, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys our new little house before we paint the walls and do some work that we are planning on doing to it, and obviously make it our home. So follow us, come on. Let's go. Okay, so when we step in, this is our little hallway that we have here, and I want to switch that light fixture. So what do I show you guys? Okay, so the first door here, this is a closet, which we've kind of started moving in things already. And then down here we have our laundry. Yeah, our laundry area. So it's nice and spacey, definitely bigger than our apartment. And then this room here will be our master bedroom. The walls are gonna go
painted.
Yeah, we're gonna switch off the paint. I really like that. But this is gonna be our room, and then here's our little master bathroom. It has 2 sinks, and then we have a nice like jacuzzi tub. It's a little outdated, but it's kind of cool. And then we have the toilet area. It has its own little privacy, so that's kind of cool, you know. So there's that, and then there's some cool little cabinets back here. You can store some towels, extra storage space, and then we have our closet area, which we have some clothes on here. Shelving up there, and then, and let's see, and then out here, this is the garage. So then I'll take you guys over here. So when you walk in here, this is the living area. So this is probably one of my favorite things about the living room. I love this. And one of the projects that we're going to be doing on this house is getting rid of the popcorn ceiling throughout all the living space, the kitchen, and the hallways, and maybe bathroom. Right, Gabriel? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
He's dreading it, guys. But I love the floors here too. And then this is the kitchen area. This is our kitchen. So nice. It has a nice backsplash. Counters, eventually I want to put granite here, but this will do for now actually too. This red is definitely gonna go. Those curtains aren't ours. It was the previous seller, so that's gonna go. And then I want to switch this light fixture, and obviously paint all of this also. But we have a nice little dining area here. I love the windows. And then back here, oh, and also the seller left us a cute little plant here, so I'm gonna keep it. And then we go outside. Oh no, guys, it's raining. By the way, we're moving today too, so we're gonna finish up moving. But this is our backyard. We have a nice little, I don't know what this is called, little patio. And also the seller left us a grill. This is a legit grill, guys. It just needs a little cleaning, but I mean, we're really excited about that. And also she left a little shed, which is right there. And it has a little fire pit, which is really nice for fall or when we want to have nice bonfires. That's what I meant. Oh my gosh, it's thundering. Okay, let's come in. This is the second hallway, and we have the bathroom here. So this is like our guest bath, and not bad. Eventually we do want to fix it up, you know, switch the counters or the sink tops, paint it obviously, and just make it nice and pretty. But for now, it'll do. So this is the bathroom, and then this is the second room, which is a pretty good size. And I think I'm gonna take over this room for now, and I'll have my vanity here. And then the closet here is pretty big too. Some shelves, closet. And then we have the third room. Oh, what is this? This is a nice little storage area. And then we have the third room, which is this. I love this window. Oh my gosh, I love it. The seller left this Murphy bed here, and so we think we're just gonna keep it for now. But the cover's right here, so we'll just cover it up and we'll leave it there for now. But this is gonna be Gabe's man cave. This. So yeah. And this room has really high ceilings. We had talked about purchasing a home maybe later on, like this year, like fall or winter, but things just happened unexpectedly. And we found this home and everything worked out, guys, and I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful. I feel very blessed right now. God has blessed us in so many ways. Couldn't be more thankful. I love our home. It's raining. We have to go pick up the U-Haul, and then we're just gonna move in the rain. I mean, we have no choice. We have off today to move out. But we are so excited, and I just wanted to share this with you guys because I haven't uploaded in a while. Cut it off here. You want to say something?
Just excited to see what our home turns out.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're excited.
Mm-hmm.
Until next time.